Hi friends, in the last session we have completed that total flow control concept. So flow control concept totally we have conditional statement and transfer statements and iterative statements. Okay, all permutations and combinations we observed in the with respect to flow control statement concept, right? So now today we are going to discuss about the strings. Okay, strings concept in Python. Okay, if you consider any of programming language, strings is the common and recommended concept. Okay, strings is the common and recommended concept in Python. That means observe here, if you consider any of the programming language in the previous case, strings concept, string. Suppose I will tell you first example, next I will write the theory. In C language, C++, Java, strings is a common concept. And if you are developing a program without string, we can't write a program. Okay, without string, max we can't write a program. At least we will use one string or one character also. At least without this, it is not possible to write a any program. Okay, so first observe string means in our Python session any sequence of characters either within single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes we can consider as a string. Okay, observe one more time, any character represented within single or double quotes or triple quotes is nothing but a string. That is, suppose here I'm taking a is s is equal to Sai Kumar. Okay, s is equal to Sai Kumar means what I'm doing means I'm printing. I'm printing s s. Okay. So what it is happening now? Just it is printing the characters s. Suppose now I represented these characters in a single quotes. Okay. Now let me represent the same in double quotes. Okay. Now I'm printing the same characters in the double quotes. Okay. Now also we are getting. Now I'm printing the same in triple quotes. Okay, now I'm printing the same in triple quotes. Okay, so finally, according to this theory, what I'm writing is any sequence of character. Okay, any sequence of characters, any sequence of characters, any sequence of characters within single quotes, single quotes or double quotes, double quotes or triple quotes. Okay, any sequence of characters within single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes. Okay, any sequence of characters within single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes is considered as considered as string. Okay, considered as a string. So coming to the syntax. Okay, coming to the syntax means coming to the syntax means we observe that S is equal to Sai Kumar. S is equal to Sai Kumar. So this way we can represent the strings. By using these ways we can represent a string. So that is string is nothing but any sequence of characters within single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes we can consider as a string. Okay, but when compared to other programming language, okay, when compared in other programming languages, in other programming languages, okay, in other programming languages, what happens means, suppose here I'm taking single character, okay, I'm taking single character, okay, I'm taking single character, okay, I'm taking single character. Now I want the type of yes means type of s, type of s means I want to know what is the type of s. Okay, in most of the programming language, single character with the single quote means it is going to considered as character, but in Python there is no char data type. Single character with a single quote is represented as a string only. Okay, in other programming languages, single quote single character char data type, but in Python single quote single character is considered as a string only. Okay, observe the output. If you observe here, type of s means type of s means a string. Type of s means a string. Okay, so that is in most in other programming languages, single quote with the single quote with the single character, single quote with the single character is represented, single quote with a single character is represented as a char data type. Okay, char data type, char data type. But when come to Python, but in Python we are not having, we are not having char data type. Okay, we are not having char data type. Okay, hence single quote, hence single quote with the single quote with the single character is also so considered as string only, string only. Okay, the same theory which I have explained with the practical, the same thing I wrote with the theory. In other programming languages, single quote with a single character is represented as char data type, but in Python we are not having char data type, hence a single quote with a single character is also considered as a string only. Clear? Clear, right? Okay, up to now it is fine. Okay, now the next thing, how to define a multi-line string literals. Okay, how to define multi-line string literals. Multi-line string literals. How to define multi-line string literals. To define multi-line string literals. How to define multi-line string literals. See, normally how to define multi-line string literals means now here I'm taking s is equal to Sai. Next here I'm taking Kumar. Okay, observe here I'm defining multi-line string literals by using single quotes. Okay, I'm defining multi-line string literals with a single quote. Okay, now observe here, is it the possible or not? Okay, I'm running this program. Okay, it is saying that syntax error, unterminated string literals. Okay, interminated literals, string. Case 1. Next case 2. Case 2. Case 2, what will do, I'm taking with the double quotes. Okay, I'm taking with the double quotes. Now also I'm trying to run. Okay, with now observe here, now it is single quotes. Now I have taken double quotes. Now I'm running the program. If you observe here, this case also, case 2 also, with respect to double quotes also, it is giving error. So what error? Syntax error, unterminated string literals. Okay, unterminated string literals. Okay, now observe the third case. Okay, now observe the third case. So now what is the third case means? So now here how many types we can represent a string? Single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes. Now let me take with the triple quotes. Okay, now let me take with the triple quotes. Now observe here in this case whether it is possible or not. Now whether it is possible or not means yes. Now it is possible. Okay. If you observe here, and one more thing. In the previous session, in the previous examples, when I'm writing here single quotes means it is giving some kind of color. Okay, based on the color also we can identify whether you observed or not. Now observe one more time. See, if I'm taking triple quotes, there is no any problem. But if I'm taking single quote, here it is showing the problem. Okay, color. Okay, because of this color, it is saying that it is incorrect. Okay, syntactically it is not correct, right? So by using triple quotes, we can represent a multi-line string literals. Okay, now the conclusion is we can define multi-line string literals. We can define multi-line string literals by using triple quotes only. By using triple quotes by using triple quotes only. Triple quotes only. Or observe here one more thing. If I'm taking single double quotes is not possible. If I'm taking in this way also it is fine. Okay, if you observe here, this way also it is fine. Clear, right? Clear, right? Case 4. So the theory what we are writing, we can define multi-line string literals by using triple quotes or double triple quotes. Double triple quotes as shown in below example case 3 and 4. Case 3 and 4. So case 1 and case 2 is not possible. Okay, I'll write this point also. Case 1 and 2 is not possible to define multi-line string literals, literals, literals. That is single quote or double quote, single quote or double quote. Clear, right? So the point here is how to define multi-line string literals by using triple quotes or double triple quotes. Okay, double triple quotes as shown in below example case 3 and 4. Clear, right? Okay, there are some examples. Okay, there are some examples. Now observe every point. S is equal to, this is single quote symbol, single quote symbol. This is single quote symbol. Okay, if I take in this way, if I take in this way, if I take in this way, here started, I have to take actually single quote symbol. Okay, I have to print a single quote. This is single quote symbol like I have to print. But the problem what happening here is I'm taking here single quote. When I'm taking here single quote, when I'm taking here single quote, here started, here ended. Okay, here started, here ended. What is this nonsense? Okay, it is go pvm is going to think that, okay, here single quote started, here it is ended. Okay, what is this nonsense next? I don't want, I'm not understanding what is this. Can you please tell me? Like, pvm is going to get confused and it is going to give error. Okay, observe. Okay, did you observe? This is the thing. Okay, now possible scenarios, possible scenarios. But now I want to, how to print that single quote symbol. Okay, now I want to print that single quote symbol means we have to go for slash. Okay, we have to go for slash. Okay, now observe here, in this case we can print a single quote also. Okay, now we can print a single quote also. Are clear? Clear, right? So this way we can represent a single quote also. So in the same way, but if you want to print a double quotes, okay, inside the single quotes we can print a double quotes also. If you take here double quotes, double quote symbol, this is double quote symbol. This is nothing but double quote symbol. This is double quote symbol inside a single quote, inside a single quote. Now observe here whether it is correct or not. Observe the output. This is double quote symbol inside a single quote, inside single quote. Okay, so the next step. So the next step, I'm taking double quotes. I'm taking double quotes. I'm taking double quotes. But double quotes, I want to print the double quotes also. But I want to print the double quotes also. But here I want to print the double quotes means here started, here ended. Okay, then what is this like? It is going to get confused. Okay, it is going to get confused and it's going to give error first. it's going to give error, right? Now observe here to prevent that problem. Okay, I want to print the double quotes. Inside the double quotes also means we have to use double quote inside a double quote. Okay, now observe the output. This is double quote symbol inside a double quote. Clear? So inside double quote, we can print a single quote also. This is single quote inside a double quote. Okay, now this time it won't give any error. Observe. Clear, right? Clear, right? So this is the representing. Okay, this is the way we can represent characters. Okay, strings inside double quotes or single quotes and everything. Okay, in the next session we are going to discuss about how to access characters of a string. Okay, how to access characters of a string. Okay, that part we are going to discuss in the next session. Okay, thank you friends. If you are having any questions or queries, please post your query in the comment section or reach out to my email id. Okay, thank you friends, thanks for watching this video.